Johnny's Bar and Grill, Mexican and American cuisine with daily and weekly specials, juicy burgers, mouth-watering tacos, and more. 1519 West Highway 150 in Lincolnton.
The individuals depicted have been arrested but not convicted at the time of story postings. This information does not infer or imply guilt of any actions or activity other than their arrest. We make no warranty or guarantee as to the accuracy of this data.
Welcome back into the WHKY News and the Crime Report. I'm Ralph Mangum. 44-year-old Jasmine Deshawn Holmes of Statesville was sentenced to 6 to 8 years in prison following his conviction for obtaining property by false pretenses greater than $100,000 and continuing criminal enterprise. The Honorable Jacqueline Grant, Superior Court judge from Burke County, handed down the sentence in Catawba County Superior Court Thursday after Holmes pleaded guilty to his involvement in the theft and distribution of goods from a maiden company. The crimes occurred between March 9th and May 18th of last year. An investigation started when it was discovered that 2 truckloads of the company's goods did not arrive at their intended destinations. Holmes and a co-defendant were instrumental in distributing the stolen goods through various trucking companies. The co-defendant's case is still pending. Jaleel Smith was the lead investigator for the Mangum Police Department. Assistant District Attorney Howard Wellens prosecuted the case with aid from legal assistant Meredith Scott. Arianna Mack has information on the arrest of a sex offender in Lenor.
That's correct, Ralph. A registered sex offender has been charged with felony offenses in Caldwell County. 23-year-old Kyle David Berry of Red Bank Road in the Forsyth County community of Germantown was arrested Thursday by Lenoir Police officers. He's charged with felonious restraint and felony sex offender at or near child premises. Berry is a sex offender as a result of a 2021 conviction in Surrey County for indecent liberties with a minor. According to online records, the crime occurred in 2020 and involved a victim who was 13 years old. Berry received 36 months of probation. Following Thursday's arrest, Berry was incarcerated in the Caldwell County Detention Center under a $150,000 secured bond. A district court date was scheduled Thursday, July 10th. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY News.
Thanks, Arianna. A man arrested by Burke County authorities faces vehicle theft charges. Rob Eastwood has that story.
Police say the value of the items stolen in this case exceeds $40,000. They report that semi-trucks were taken from 2 businesses here in eastern Burke County. The suspect was arrested and placed in jail without bond after he was taken into custody. 44-year-old James Andrew Brown of Berry Road in Connelly Springs was arrested by Burke County Sheriff's officers. He's charged with 2 felony counts of larceny of a motor vehicle. This past Monday, the Burke County Sheriff's Office received reports of 2 semi-trucks stolen from separate businesses in Hildebran. One of the trucks was hauling a 53-foot cargo trailer at the time of the theft. During the investigation, the stolen cargo trailer was found abandoned in an empty lot in Valdez. James Andrew Brown was identified as the suspect. Later that same day, one of the stolen semi-trucks was found partially concealed behind a residence on South Fork Avenue in Hickory. On Tuesday, detectives received information that the second stolen semi-truck was in the area of NC 18 South near DAV Avenue. Deputies responded to that area, found the truck, and performed a vehicle stop. The driver, identified as Brown, was arrested without incident. The total value of the recovered items is $45,000, according to police. Brown was arrested and taken to the Burke County Jail, where he was incarcerated without bond. He was scheduled to make a first appearance in court on Thursday. Reporting from Burke County for WHKY News, I'm Rob Eastwood.
Thanks, Rob. Taylorsville Police are asking for the public's assistance in identifying an individual wanted in reference to an ongoing fraud investigation. The incidents occurred at Advance Auto Parts and AutoZone on July 10th. Anyone with information regarding the suspect or the suspect vehicle should call Taylorsville Police 828-632-2911 or Crime Stoppers 828-632-8555. Thanks to WACB's Rick Gilbert for that information. Thank you all for joining us on today's Crime Report. For WHKY, I'm Ralph Mangum, reminding you to keep it clean and to keep it legal.